Luar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kanyau Trip National Youth Movement, Motion Road Circle, hakaksan tarik naitung Hajar Apun Rio. Ulalik penyakendo yu branch manager kami Meghalaya Rural Bank, Riangdo branch. Banyak keren halo kijing jong kipat ba kamtam kiriu teman kiblano karta kibalik dan kam hakani ke bank. Hakajing keren bagilap thai kubor hadin kajing kendo yu branch manager ke MRB Riangdo. Upresiden kaseng usamla Lengdo. Ulai tu bakaseng kelai opdiang sibun kijing ujor na kipai ba. Halo kajing mamburom yakiriu teman kiblet dan kam. Haka Meghalaya Rural Bank kumta kaseng keladawa. Naki bor penyat panbu no takajaka kerpang yakiriu teman hapo ke bank. Haka bai dei bakani ulai tu bo branch manager ke bank ulakular bansim kia yakamat jing dawa.
Kalian jong kaseng HNWM Motion Circle hadin ba nilayo ya kajing ujor na i pagba bubun yang kani tong patkan berokawai kalor kajing bom nyokor nane kajing bom burom di rangba di kilong pa ki bawa lo ta kalian gini seng tak sini nilayo kan yang duduk bermencar kalian jong beran menjar pula lar yang iba usa aja kajaka kerpang na kabantaki tuki temen ibala no kata man ai jaka kerpang na kabantaki jong ki bat lada kiwan habang kim don kamsyu bandang sim do token bar ndre insu leg back hata tu kajaka ban let's say pisala dan leg day jaka ba let's say pisan lane jaka ban leg update kim don kamsyu ban dang yang do ulang nakaliang jungi kum kaseng ni kermen ba ya kai ko lar na peran menjar tingit ba ya kan long kunta ular ba lada don kitu ki bom tip kila ban wan baik u peran menjar ban keli itu ki ya kata ka jing kam juki la ki dei ban lekse sala ne ban update ki tosko.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.